So we're building a custom shelf for Kade's Ben 10 action figures. When it's done, it's going to hold his action figures, DVDs, his watches, and other collectibles from that line. We're going to have this in segments, so here's the first part of the project where we built the basic frame and the facing of the display case. Let me show you the things you'll need for this part. So most of these tools you probably already have around the house. You just need just your basic household hammer, a measuring tape. We're going to use 1 5/8 paneling nails. This will go through the lumber that we're doing for this frame without popping out the other side, but also keeping grips in. I also recommend Gorilla Glue. What's nice about this type, other than like wood tie and some other wood glues, is it has a lot of open time, so you can apply your glue and you don't have to rush to get everything put together before it starts to dry on you. And then also, this is optional, is some clamps. You got your basic spring clamps, and you also have some C-clamps. As far as the lumber we're using, we're going to use some 1x4 common pine boards, and we're going to use some 1/4-inch poplar strips. And these are 1/4-inch with 3-inch width on them. Alright, let's take a look at what the basic frames looks like after I got that constructed. So here's the frame I constructed. As you can see, I made a 2x2 with the 1x4 common boards. And then I just got that glued on the edges with 3 nails on each end, which I just hammer those down. Alright. And then to give it some extra stability and for other features I'm putting on the case, I got the poplar strip right up here for the face. And then down the bottom side, I actually got some stained gray quarter round, which I glued and just simply secured with a nail on each end. Now the next phase we're going to do is we're going to add the backing. So on the other side of the back of the show, we're going to pin in some hardboard, and then we're also going to create shelving and also a back piece with plexiglass. And why we're doing that, we'll cover in the next video. Overview of what we're going to do when the project is complete. We're going to have a top portion, which is going to have cubbies. And there's a middle section that's going to hold DVDs and games. And then we got a lower cabinet that's going to have a pool and also a Ben 10 emblem. On the very top of the shelf, it's going to have 2 T-bars to hold the collectible watches. And then I'm still toying with the idea of possibly putting casters on the bottom to make it more mobile. But I will go into more details each video as we construct that portion. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Also, this is kind of a preview of what we're building. I'd like to know, would you guys like to actually see the building in progress, or just an overview once each step is done to kind of see how it's put together? Let me know so we kind of know how to tailor future videos. Alright, hope you have a good day. Bye.